Have you ever wondered how do people get opportunities to be successful in life? We're often told that we need to create our own way of doing things, make drastic change to our daily routine, and even have big dreams. But what if that is not the case? What if the language we speak simply plays a big role to our own life? English is one of the most prestigious languages that any of us can speak. This is me in 2017, the year which everything in me started to grow. I didn't know anything about English. I was just a small kid from Bur'o. I had zero experience. I have learned English in one of the most difficult countries in the world to learn a second language. The country that's holding back a lot of dreamers, and unfortunately, the country that takes 2 steps back when the rest of the world takes 2 steps ahead. Somalia. I'm not here to let you guys down or discourage you, but this is the sad reality. But we also know one thing: no matter where we are, no matter where we are from, we all can do it. The question now is, how can we help other people live in Somalia learn the language of opportunities, or learn English in other words? This is my journey to one of the most prestigious places, if not the most, in Bur'o, Somaliland.
First of all, my name is Yahya Mustafa Hassan. I'm a teacher practice in Asser College. I have finished it since in 2020. Today, what we have? Today we have Asser College. You could have a dream is that dream is you will have. It will have to be.
Bismillah. I'm starting in the name of Allah. My name is Aisha Idris Muhammad. I was born in Somalia. I have been studying Asser Pre-University College since August last year. And I have been studying almost 1 year and 2 months, and I got more. I got, as you see, I can speak English and I can write. Also, I can read. So I'm not a school student. So everything belongs to Allah. After that, it belongs to us. So I have message for all the people. So my message is change us and speak like smart.
First, my name is Simha Khalid Dibed. I am studying at this University Azhar, and I have been studying for a period of time from course 1 to course 4, and I have benefited from many things. When I come here, I didn't know how to speak English, but now I can speak, I can read. Also, the most important thing is to help the student to speak the language, and therefore the university mixture of medical and linguistic. We also with that you will be benefit a lot from it. And my last word is join and see activities from Asser University.